Welcome guys to your first C++ programming language tutorial. In this C++ language tutorial, you'll learn from its basic or introduce yourself to new language feature with the C++ language tutorial. A fast-paced self-teaching tutorial covering the modern concept of programming languages of this programming language, C++ language. This tutorial explains the C++ language from its basic up to the newest feature introduced by C++ 11. Chapters has a practical orientation with examples program in all sections to start practicing what is being explained right away. A compiler. We'll talk about a compiler. A compiler, the essential tool needed to follow this tutorials are a computer and a compiler toolchain able to compile C++ code and build the program to run on it. C++ is a language that has evolved much over the years, and this tutorial explains many features added recently to the language. Therefore, in order to properly follow the tutorials, a recent compiler is needed. It shall support, even if only partially, the features introduced by the 2011 standard. Many compilers vendors support the new features at different degrees. See the buttons in this page in this video for some compilers that are known to support the features needed. Some of them are free. If for some reason you need to use some older compiler, you can access an older version of this tutorial later. What is a compiler? Computers understand only one language, and what language consists of set of instructions made of one. Computers understand only one language, and that language consists of set of instructions made of 1 and 0. This computer language is appropriately called machine language. A single instruction to a computer could look like this. Could look like this: 0000 111 0110. A particular computer's machine language program that allow a user to input two numbers, add the two numbers together, and display the total could include these other machine codes. As you can imagine, programming a computer directly in machine language such as 00011 311 01 001 1100 using only 1 and 0 is very tedious and error prone. To make programming easier, high-level language has been developed. High-level programs also make it easy for programmers to inspect and understand each other's program easily. So see me in the next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Okay.